everybody. My name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get into another Erin Condren Plan With Me. We are doing this Plan With Me from December 5th to the 11th. I cannot believe that we are getting into the first full week of December already. I am using the White Pumpkin kit from Cricut Paper Co. And when I first got this, I was totally in love with it for fall. And then when I was planning out my schedule and what I was going to use to decorate, I realized that it wouldn't be until probably December, but it still works out and it's still pretty cute. And the ironic thing is that the bars on my Erin Condren are also green because it is December. So even if I wasn't technically to cover up those green bars, it would still technically match. So right now you can see that I am putting on my date labels. The issue with these stickers, guys, is that you do need to use a permanent marker. My two favorites are either the Sharpie permanent marker. I always use an ultra fine tip, or I use the Sakura Micro Perm, which also works. And they come in 3 sizes. Comes in a pack of 3. I think it's a 0.1, a 0.3, and a 0.5, and they work great as well. So you can see here that I decided not to cut the washi strip this time. Usually I cut the washi strip on the left side of the page to show that December calendar, but I did not do that this time because I think I was just getting lazy. And you know what, I don't really reference the calendar anyway, so I was like, yep, it's gonna go. So now I'm using the sparkle headers to cover up all of those green bars. And I think I've gotten better at laying them down so I get them actually straight. You'd be surprised at when you first start doing that, how hard it is to make sure that there's no bar showing underneath. And it is funny to me because even though these are still like a matte sticker, it's funny because they actually look like a sparkle sticker. And when you go to buy them, like you realize that they're actually not, and it's funny. So yeah, if you want to know, like they are regular vinyl paper with a matte finish, but yet it still looks sparkly. So I just wanted to clarify that because when I first got them, I was like, oh, it's like that like sparkle material, so it's going to be rough, but it wasn't. So we're just going to continue doing that. I do have a busy week in the regard that I have an appointment on Monday. So I start my first round of OBGYN appointments. I think it was last time I said that I had like an OBGYN appointment in 2 weeks, and then I had another in 1 week, but it's still 2 more appointments with 2 weeks in between. So I think this one, I don't know, I think I'll be 34 weeks at this appointment. And I think I'll be 34 weeks this Saturday before this week starts. And so yeah, we're getting close, guys. And it's kind of like the home stretch right now for December. December is super busy for me. Other than all of the work tasks that I have, December is always a busy month for my business because I'm getting all of my year-end videos prepped. A lot of my planners need to be set up for the new year, and that's always a lot of work. And filming it and thinking about it and even just editing, the whole editing process too takes like double the amount of time that it takes to film. So it's stressful because number one, my husband is not home. I've got 2 kids plus a baby on the way, and it's Christmas. So I'm still trying to like get all of the Christmas stuff done on my own, and it's just been so difficult. So unfortunately, these Erin Condren Plan With Me's will not be continuing into the new year. I might pick it up again after a while because I do have so many beautiful sticker kits to use, but for the most part, I think these aren't as popular as my Franklin planner anyway. Really wanted to show people how I decorated a planner, like a vertical style planner, in a decorative way because a lot of times Franklin doesn't really lend itself well to decoration. It's more functional planning, which also is very necessary in your life if you're very busy. Even if you're not really busy, it's just sometimes nice to have a planner in a place to write stuff down. So I used all of the decorative stickers in this kit. Usually the sidebar I like to leave it for list making, for my son's schoolwork, and for things to do next week. But I figured, you know what? I'm going to be so focused on filming tasks, I decided to just cover it up with decorative stickers. Normally I put 2 extra stickers on Saturday and Sunday because I'm not as busy, but because I will be filming on the weekend, it's actually, believe it or not, my quietest time because my mom will sometimes take my daughter for a couple hours on the weekend, and I can actually get a lot of work done on those days. So I decided to leave myself some more blank room there. And then pretty much every day this week, I do have a YouTube going live. My videos, they're kind of starting to, I think it's every day this entire month, you guys. I have a video, except for December 7th. That is the only day so far, but I mean, that could change. So I'll have a makeup video going live on Monday. And I was going to technically post my November budget close on Monday as well, but I wanted to just kind of leave it for Tuesday. So that one will be on Tuesday. As you can see, I'm writing that down now. I have technically finished the budget close, but I haven't filmed it yet. So that's a task I'll be doing later tonight, this evening. And generally, when I go to do my November budget close, I like to fill it out beforehand just because it's so tedious. There's so many numbers. And if I do it while I'm talking with you guys on video, it just takes extra long. So I figured it would be better just to kind of give you pointers and hints as I go, and then I can talk about it more thoroughly. So as per usual, I have budget on the Thursday. I've got my Erin Condren posting Friday, and Saturday is my Franklin as per usual. But my goal prep number 2 for Cultivate What Matters will be on Sunday the 11th. So I have already posted my first one, and I think that was the previous week. And you guys will start seeing those. They're not consecutive, which I've already mentioned. But if you do have power sheets or a goal planning system and you want to follow along, they are truly helpful because it really helps you get to the whole, I guess, starting place of, like, a lot of people are like, how do you make goals? And it really helps you determine your goals and your values and stuff, especially if you don't know where to start. Some people are like, I just, where do you start? Like, what do you want out of life? And so that, trust me, it helps so much. So instead of using the list stickers, I used the full boxes this time because I thought it was like perfect. It was just enough stickers to cover all 7 of the days. And I just go ahead and I start writing in all of my tasks for each day. So right now I'm just looking for some additional stickers here, and it fit perfectly on the Monday. So I realized I had my OBGYN appointment on Monday, so that day I'll probably get a little bit less work done, and it's also one of my niece's birthdays. So I usually go ahead and I do my tarot oracle journaling, my kids journaling, and then I also post my blog Monday morning at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So that is generally, I call Monday my intro into the week. So you know how like Mondays you always try to push yourself and you go hard, but then Sunday you're like dreading Monday because you know all the stuff you have to do Monday. I kind of scaled it back a bit and I realized I don't want my Monday, I don't want to dread it. So I scaled it back and made it just like a journaling day, and I feel so much better about it. So Tuesday is technically a sticker day, but I changed it to an admin day because I'm not sure how many stickers I'll be actually getting done. So any tasks, if there's any videos I need to edit, I will be doing that on Tuesday as well. And then Wednesday is always my busiest day. So I have 2 blog posts to write, and I also have my budget video to film and edit and post. And then if I do get that done early, like I did this week, sometimes I go ahead and I do more work just to kind of play catch up for the rest of the week so that I feel like I'm ahead. I don't know if I actually am because then there's other days that I decide to slack off, but I try. So Thursday, it will be garbage day on that Friday. So I always write a note for myself to take out the garbage the day before. I will be paying the bills on that Thursday. And I also film my Erin Condren. So again, I find it easier to do a voiceover with my Erin Condren because it makes for a faster video. And then you guys don't have to watch me kind of go through it. If I was doing like a plan as you go, like Cindy Guntart-Baldo, I would probably do it in real time, but I just find this so much easier. So I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.